Hello everyone, welcome to Chesspedia. In this second example of pawn promotion, we see now the white king is ahead of the pawn with at least one intervening square, which is a condition to win such games easily. So let's play it out. Black will try to maintain a position so as not to let the white king go ahead. So we are forced to move a pawn. Now since black cannot maintain a position, we push ahead. Move the pawn only when it is necessary for pawn safety. Till that time, move the king ahead. Now since pawn is far away, so we are moving it. Maintain a position so that now king has to go outside, and now here we can see whatever white black plays, something like this, we will go ahead. If it goes like this, now it's 7th rank check, but it has an escape route, so it's not a stalemate, and then we will queen it up and win the game. Let's see other scenarios. Suppose we played the pawn earlier, then what will happen? Black will simply come here. Now can we win this position? Answer is no, because white king cannot go ahead, so it will move the pawn here, and then black will simply go back. White comes ahead. Black maintains the position like we have seen in the previous example. It is forced to move the pawn. Now black will go behind as we have seen in the last example. Black will maintain the position, and then it will be a stalemate thereafter. So I hope you understand the concept. I am repeating it again. There should be at least one intervening square between the pawn and the king, and we have to move the king ahead. Try to avoid the position like this. There is another way to play it. Suppose black comes towards us. After this, blacks try to come towards us. No issues. We will just move ahead. Black comes here. We will just move the pawn 2 steps this time. Suppose blacks want to attack the pawn. No issue. So this is a blunder, right? Want to attack a pawn? No issues. We come here. It will be forced to come here. We move the king as far as we can. Like we have seen in the previous example, it has to move away. I suppose it goes behind and also no issues. So we move the pawn. It comes here. So that's the benefit of having our king in front. So now here it is a critical move because it will try to go for stalemate. So we have to move the king here. Now it cannot go to this e8 square and there won't be any stalemate. So it has to move away and then we queen and win. I hope this lecture is clear to you all. These two lectures were the basic building blocks for the games to come next. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.